DesignISH Studios. Today I will show you how to draw and color a ladybird in contemporary Madhubani style, like this one. Let's get started. First, let's begin by drawing a rough sketch of the grass blade and a ladybird. And remember to draw it very light so that even if you have to rub few more times, it doesn't show up. Now I'm moving on to marking the borders. I've just taken 0.5 centimeters from the border and drawing double lines on all the four corners. And now I'm drawing an inner border, taking 1 centimeter from the previous border line. Now I'm adding the details inside the border. Now I am adding half flower design on all the four sides of the border. Now let's start inking our main design, and remember to take it slow. Now I am adding the double lines for our ladybird. And remember, most of the Madhubani paintings always have double lines. Now move on to the grass blade and let's have the same double line for that too. Now erase all the pencil marks. I have added eye details and tiny circles along the wings. Now moving on to adding patterns inside the wings, a tiny circle and a double line for that. And remember to be as symmetrical as possible with both the wings. Now I am adding some patterns inside the body part. Now I am adding the double outline for each of the pattern lines. Now let's add some details for the grass blade. and forgot to add the legs for the ladybird. And I had put a video on traditional motifs of Madhubani, some border design and Kachni hatchings. If you haven't watched it yet, go back to my previous video and watch that. Now I'm adding some details in the background. Now our painting is almost ready for coloring. First, I am starting with black color for the dots in the wings. Now I am filling the head part completely in black. Now I have taken a red Sharpie to color the wings, and remember to take it very slow so that you don't color the circle and the black dots. Now I have taken the dark brown to color the in-between area of the body. Now I am moving on to the grass blade and first filling it up completely with light green color. Now I have taken another shade of green for the other side of the grass blade. Now I am adding some patterns with a dark shade of green for this side of the grass blade. Now I am coloring the background with a light yellowish green shade. Let's finish off this painting by coloring the border with dark pink color. Ta-da! It's ready! Thanks for joining me today, and I really hope you enjoyed and learned few tricks on Madhubani. I will see you again in a few days' time with another video. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.